Namaste. Welcome to Roots classes. My name is Adarsh M. Nair and I will be taking your Carnatic vocal class today. Today we will be learning a Geetam in the Ragam Mohanam, starting with Varaveena. So Varaveena is one of the basic Geetams of Carnatic music. It is included in the Abhyasa Gana category, which is the training portion of the stage performance. So the Raga Mohanam is a very melodic and a very beautiful raga, which actually we are not aware of its roots because it is such a natural raga that it is found in almost all the styles of music. It is called the major scale ka Sarigapa Dasa version. So all the major notes come in it. So which is Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa Sa Da Pa Ga Ri Sa. Okay, this is the Arohana and the Avrohana. So as you can see, isme Madhyama and the Nishada are Varjya, as in they are not used. They are Varjya. Okay, so Sa, Ri, Ga, Pa, Dha and Sa are the usable notes in the raga. So we'll quickly go through the Arohana, Avrohana once again, and then we'll learn the Geetam. Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa Sa Dha Pa Ga Ri Sa. Once again. Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa Sa Dha Pa Ga Ri Sa. Okay, please sing with me. Okay, Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa Sa Dha Pa Ga Ri Sa. So as you can see, this is a pentatonic raga. Penta means 5. Okay, so 5 notes are used in this: Sa, Ri, Ga, Pa and Dha, and Sa is obviously repeated. So we were doing the Arohana and the Avrohana, right? So let's sing. Sa Ri Ga Pa Dha Sa Sa Dha Pa Ga Ri Sa. Again. Sa Ri Ga pa dha sa sa dha pa ga re sa. Okay, this is the Arohana and the Avrohana. Now let's learn the composition. This is Varaveena in the Ragam Mohanam. Okay, so the Talam it is set to is called the Rupaka Talam. Okay, Rupaka Talam is very simple Talam which involves 3 beats. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Do it with me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. That is a Talam. Now let's learn the composition. The first line is ga ga pa pa. Sing. Ga ga pa pa. Ga ga pa pa. Dha pa sa sa. Ga ga pa pa. Dha pa sa sa. Ri sa da dha pa. Ri sa da da pa. Da pa ga ga ri. Ri sa da da pa. Da pa ga ga ri. Okay, did you follow? We'd done the Tala also. So how to put the Talam, which is 1, 2, 3. Ga ga pa pa. Da pa sa sa. Ri sa da da pa. Da pa ga ga ri. Ga pa dha sa dha. Dha pa ga ga ri. Ga ga da pa da. Da pa ga ga ri. Ga ga da pa ga. Pa ga ga ri sa. Ga 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 ri ga. Ga 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 ri ga. Pa ga pa pa. Ga 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 ri ga. Pa ga pa pa. Ga ga da pa da. Ga ga dha pa dha. Pa dha sa sa. Da ga ri ri sa sa. Da sa da 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 pa. Ga pa dha sa dha pa. धा पा गा गा री सा सा री गा 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 री पा गा री सा री सा गा री सा री धा सा सा. That is it. That is the swara portion of the composition. Okay. Varaveena Varaveena Mridupani Varaveena Mridupani Vanaruhalo Vanaruhalo Chanarani Vanaruhalo Chanarani Suruchirapam Bharaveni Suranuta Kalyani Nirupama Shubha Gunalola Niratjaya Pradashila Varada Priya Varada Priya Ranganayaki Vanchita Phala Dayaki Sarasija Sanajanani Jaya 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 Jaya